Today, the family, we're going on a trip, so we're all back here in this awesome big van. But yeah, we're leaving Vientiane, gonna visit some more family and friends and explore more of Laos. So it's gonna take about 6 hours, but we'll be there. But it's gonna be a really enjoyable ride with the family. Okay, so if you're taking a across Laos, one of the places that you could definitely go are these food stalls. So that's where we're at today. We're at a food stall. We're taking a break and we're gonna get some food here. I'm not entirely sure what we're gonna eat, but I know it's gonna be good. So here, I'm not actually sure where we're at. So we drove from Vientiane and we're gonna get some food in here. So this is actually probably a restaurant, not a food stall, but you could see there's food stalls here as well. Here's some of the menu, and everything is in Laos currency. So this is Geek. So a lot of different food options here. Okay. So here's some artwork in here. Initially, I thought it was a food stall on the outside, but then as we got in, it's an entire restaurant here on the road. So you'll see these commonly here. Uncle got some pho. So this is Lao style pho, different from Vietnamese style. Still delicious nonetheless. We also have some of this right here, some beef and some sauce and some sticky rice right there. All right, so just gonna eat the beef with some sticky rice in my hand right here. Just put it in the sauce and rice. Yeah, that's the sticky rice, but this is gonna be my main dish. Seafood and rice right here, and eggs. Sea salt. Seafood and eggs. A very simple dish. That's the fried rice. I'll try that out. Well, some squid and octopus. Feel up. Yeah, good. Some very simple dishes. So if you're on the road, it's a great place to stop and eat. Tastes like this. They're preparing some food right here for the restaurant and also the food stalls as well. You can see there. So this is a fish dish right here. We'll just mix it right there. And then here's some meat over there. So this is the restaurant we ate at. At first I thought it was just going to be food stall in the front, but there's actually an entire restaurant. So these are typically places where a lot of people, there's not really many stops here in Laos. So if you are looking to eat something, it's best if you just come and eat, even if you're not super hungry, because there's not as many stops as there is in the United States. So take advantage of it if you actually want to get some restaurant food.